Greetings, beloved souls. Today we explore a crucial aspect of your spiritual journey, recognizing bad and false people in your life. As chosen ones, you possess a unique sensitivity, a gift that allows you to perceive the world more deeply. Yet, this gift can also make you vulnerable to those who seek to exploit or mislead you. Let's begin by acknowledging a fundamental truth. Not everyone you encounter is aligned with your highest good. But some individuals, whether consciously or unconsciously, may hinder your growth, drain your energy, or lead you astray from your path. Learning to discern these people is not about judgment or separation, but about protecting your energy and staying true to your purpose. Now, you might wonder, why do I attract these people into my life? This is a profound question that touches the core of your spiritual journey. Often these challenging relationships are mirrors, reflecting aspects of yourself that need healing or growth. They serve as catalysts for your evolution, pushing you to set boundaries, stand in your truth, and refine your discernment. But how do we recognize these individuals? The first step is to tune into your intuition. As a chosen one, you have an innate ability to sense energy. When you're in the presence of someone who doesn't align with your highest good, you might feel a subtle unease, a tightening in your chest, or a draining of your energy. Pay attention to these physical and emotional cues. Your body is a finely tuned instrument capable of picking up on energetic discrepancies long before your mind can rationalize them. However, intuition alone is not enough. We must also observe actions and patterns. False individuals often display inconsistencies between their words and actions. They might make grand promises but fail to follow through. They might speak of love and light, yet their actions sow discord and darkness. Watch closely, not just for a day or a week, but over time. True character reveals itself through consistent behavior. Another key indicator is how these people respond to your growth and success. Genuine souls will celebrate your achievements and support your journey, even when it differs from their own. False individuals, on the other hand, might feel threatened by your progress. They might try to undermine your confidence, dismiss your experiences, or attempt to keep you small and dependent. It's crucial to understand that recognizing these individuals is not about labeling them as bad or evil. Every soul is on its own journey, grappling with its own shadows and lessons. The goal is not to condemn, but to discern, to recognize when a relationship no longer serves your highest good, and to have the courage to create healthy boundaries. As you navigate this process, remember to turn your gaze inward. Ask yourself, what patterns am I repeating in my relationships? What unhealed parts of myself am I projecting onto others? What lessons am I being called to learn through these challenging connections? This self-reflection is not always comfortable, but it's essential for your growth. It allows you to take responsibility for your part in these dynamics and to make conscious choices about the energy you allow into your life. Remember, as a chosen one, you have a responsibility not just to yourself, but to the collective. By learning to recognize and navigate relationships with discernment, you're not only protecting your own energy, but you're also modeling healthy boundaries and authentic living for others. In the next part of our exploration, we'll delve deeper into specific strategies for protecting your energy and creating healthy boundaries with those who may not have your best interests at heart. We'll explore how to maintain compassion while standing firmly in your truth, and how to transmute these challenging relationships into opportunities for profound spiritual growth. Are you ready to sharpen your discernment and step more fully into your power as a chosen one? Let's continue this sacred journey together, uncovering the wisdom that will allow you to navigate your relationships with clarity, compassion, and unwavering authenticity. As we venture deeper into the realm of recognizing false and detrimental influences, we uncover a profound truth: the very challenges posed by these individuals can become catalysts for your spiritual evolution. This process is nothing short of alchemy, transforming the lead of difficult relationships into the gold of wisdom and self-awareness. Consider the concept of energetic resonance. Each of us vibrates at a certain frequency, attracting experiences and individuals that match this vibration. When you encounter someone who consistently brings negativity or falsehood into your life, it's an invitation to examine your own energetic state. What within you is resonating with this energy? What unhealed wounds or limiting beliefs are being reflected back to you? This reflection is not about blame, but about empowerment. By recognizing these patterns, you gain the ability to shift your own energy and, consequently, the types of people and experiences you attract. It's a profound act of taking responsibility for your reality. Now, let's explore some practical strategies for navigating these challenging relationships. First and foremost is the practice of energetic boundaries. Imagine a bubble of light surrounding you, permeable enough to allow love and positivity to flow through, but strong enough to deflect negativity. This isn't just a visualization exercise, it's a powerful tool for maintaining your energetic integrity. When interacting with individuals you suspect may not have your best interests at heart, practice active listening, not just to their words, but to the energy behind them. Do their actions align with their words? Do you feel uplifted in their presence or drained? Trust these subtle cues, they're your intuition speaking. Another crucial aspect is the art of detachment. Often we become entangled in others' dramas or falsehoods because we're seeking validation or trying to fix them. Remember, you're not responsible for anyone else's journey. Your task is to stay true to your own path and to offer compassion without compromising your own well-being. This brings us to a challenging but essential question: how do we maintain compassion for those who may harm or mislead us? The key lies in understanding that hurt people hurt people. Those who spread negativity or falsehood are often operating from a place of deep pain or fear. Recognizing this doesn't mean tolerating harmful behavior, but it allows you to respond with wisdom rather than reactivity. As you navigate these relationships, pay attention to the lessons they offer. Each challenging interaction is an opportunity to practice discernment, to refine your boundaries, and to deepen your self-knowledge. What triggers you in these relationships? What fears or insecurities do they bring to the surface? These insights are invaluable for your spiritual growth. Remember, as a chosen one, you have the power to transmute energy. When faced with negativity or falsehood, you can choose to respond with love and truth. This doesn't mean accepting harmful behavior, but rather refusing to lower your vibration to match it. Instead, you can hold steady in your own light, creating a space for transformation both for yourself and potentially for the other person. In this alchemical process, even the most challenging relationships can yield spiritual gold. They push you to stand more firmly in your truth, to cultivate unshakable self-love, and to refine your ability to discern truth from falsehood. They are, in essence, spiritual teachers in disguise. As we conclude this part of our exploration, I invite you to reflect on a challenging relationship in your life. What lessons is it offering you? How can you use this interaction as a catalyst for your own growth? How might you transmute this difficulty into spiritual gold? In our next segment, we'll delve into advanced techniques for maintaining your spiritual integrity in a world that often seems filled with deception and negativity. We'll explore how to not only protect your energy, but to actively radiate your truth in a way that uplifts those around you. Are you ready to step more fully into your power as a beacon of authenticity and light? Let's continue this sacred journey together. As we deepen our exploration, we arrive at a crucial juncture in your journey as a chosen one. You've learned to recognize the false and detrimental influences in your life, and you've begun to transmute these challenges into opportunities for growth. Now, we must focus on fortifying your spiritual sovereignty, creating an impenetrable shield of light that not only protects you but radiates truth and authenticity to all who cross your path. Imagine your energy field as a brilliant, pulsating orb of light. This light is your essence, your truth, your divine spark. In a world often shrouded in shadows of deceit and negativity, your task is to keep this light burning bright and steady. This is not just for your own benefit, but for the benefit of all beings. Your light has the power to illuminate the darkness, to inspire others to reconnect with their own inner radiance. But how do we maintain this radiant shield in the face of constant challenges? The key lies in cultivating unwavering self-awareness. This means being acutely attuned to your own energy at all times. Notice how different environments, people, and situations affect your vibration. Does your light dim in certain company? Does it flare up in others? This awareness is your compass, guiding you towards what nourishes your spirit and away from what depletes it. Next, we must address the concept of energetic hygiene. Just as you cleanse your physical body, you must regularly cleanse your energy field. Develop a daily practice of energetic clearing. This could involve meditation, visualization, sound healing, or any modality that resonates with you. The goal is to release any negative energies you've absorbed and to realign with your highest vibration. Now, let's delve into the power of your words and thoughts. Every word you speak, every thought you entertain, is a vibration that affects your energy field. Practice impeccability with your word, as the ancient Toltec wisdom teaches. Speak only truth, and speak it with kindness and compassion. Watch your thoughts closely, redirecting them towards love and positivity when they stray into negativity or falsehood. But what about when you're confronted directly with negativity or deception? This is where the practice of transmutation becomes crucial. Instead of absorbing or reflecting negative energy, learn to alchemize it. When faced with falsehood, respond with unwavering truth. When confronted with hatred, emanate love. This doesn't mean being passive or accepting harmful behavior. Rather, it's about maintaining your high vibration even in challenging circumstances. As you strengthen your radiant shield, you'll find that you naturally attract more authentic, aligned individuals into your life. Your relationships will shift, becoming deeper, more genuine, and more supportive of your spiritual growth. This is the power of energetic resonance at work. Remember, your shield is not a barrier that separates you from the world. It's a field of high vibration that allows you to engage fully with life while maintaining your spiritual integrity. It's permeable, allowing love and truth to flow freely, while naturally repelling lower vibrations. As we near the end of this segment, I invite you to reflect on your own radiant shield. How strong is it? Where might there be weak points that need reinforcing? What practices can you implement to fortify your spiritual sovereignty? In our final segment, we'll explore how to use your newfound discernment and energetic mastery to fulfill your role as a chosen one in the world. We'll delve into the concept of spiritual leadership, and how you can use your light to guide others without becoming entangled in their journeys. Are you ready to step fully into your power and purpose? Let's continue this sacred exploration together. As we reach the pinnacle of our journey, we stand at the threshold of your true calling as a chosen one. You've honed your discernment, fortified your spiritual sovereignty, and now it's time to wield these gifts in service of the greater good. This final phase is about stepping fully into your role as a spiritual leader and beacon of truth in a world often clouded by illusion. Understand that leadership, in this context, isn't about amassing followers or proclaiming superiority. It's about embodying your highest truth so completely that you naturally inspire others to reconnect with their own divine essence. Your very presence becomes a catalyst for awakening, a living reminder of the potential that lies within each soul. But this path is not without its challenges. As you radiate your light more brightly, you may find that it intensifies the shadows around you. Some may be drawn to your light, seeking guidance and inspiration. Others may recoil, feeling threatened by the truth you embody. Your task is to remain steadfast in your authenticity, neither dimming your light to appease others nor using it to overpower them. In this role, you'll often find yourself walking a fine line between compassion and discernment. You'll encounter souls who are struggling, who may seek to cling to you as a source of salvation. Remember, true spiritual leadership is not about creating dependency, but about empowering others to find their own inner light. Develop the skill of compassionate detachment. Offer guidance and support freely, but without becoming entangled in others' journeys. Trust in the divine timing of each soul's awakening. Your role is to plant seeds of truth and nurture them with love, but the growth and blossoming must come from within each individual. As you navigate this path, you'll inevitably encounter resistance, both from within and without. Doubts may arise: who am I to lead? Am I truly worthy of this calling? Recognize these thoughts as the final vestiges of old programming, the world's attempt to keep you small. Embrace them with love, and then let them go. Your worthiness is not something to be earned, it's your birthright as a divine being. External resistance may come in the form of skepticism, criticism, or even outright opposition. Some may accuse you of arrogance or delusion. Others may attempt to discredit or undermine you. This is where your practice of maintaining a strong, radiant shield becomes crucial. Let these attacks wash over you, neither absorbing their negativity nor retaliating with anger. Your unwavering presence in your truth is your most powerful response. Remember, your journey as a chosen one is not about perfection, but about authentic evolution. You will face challenges, make mistakes, and encounter moments of doubt. These are not failures, but opportunities for deepening your wisdom and refining your light. Embrace them with gratitude, knowing that each challenge overcome strengthens your ability to guide others. As we conclude this sacred exploration, I invite you to envision the impact of your fully realized self. See how your light touches the lives around you, catalyzing waves of awakening that ripple out into the world. Feel the profound sense of purpose and alignment that comes from living your divine truth. You stand now at the threshold of your greatest becoming. The path ahead may not always be easy, but it is infinitely rewarding. Trust in your inner guidance, stay rooted in your spiritual practices, and never forget the immense power of your authentic self. The world needs your light now more than ever. Step forward boldly, chosen one, and illuminate the way for all who seek truth and awakening.